I'm co-hosting the Useful DIY with MomDas at Life Handmade. Our theme is Old Turns New. Stay tuned for the details. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household or see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. MomDas hosts a monthly DIY challenge, and each month she chooses a different creator to co-host it with her. And this month she asked me to co-host. And after a little bit of arm twisting, I agreed. For those of you that follow me, you know how much I love DIY. So we are asking you to join us in creating a useful DIY project. And what that means is that whatever it is that you create must be useful, either for yourself, something you're going to be able to use in your home, or it could be for something for someone else, but it must be a useful project. And I got my notes right here just to make sure that I don't forget any details. So the first thing we want you to do is, when you do your DIY project, show us the process. So that means get it on film, because we want to see how you did it. And make sure you show the supplies that you're going to need to create whatever it is that you do. And I always forget to do that. So that's why I put it in my notes, so that I wouldn't forget to say it, so that you would hear it and I would hear it as well. And then be sure to include the Useful DIY Challenge, Old Turns New, in your title. So now I'm going to say that again. Be sure to include Useful DIY Challenge, Old Turns New, in your title. Subscribe to both of our channels, and then mention both of our channels in your video, and link our channels in the description box, as well as mention the playlist and then link the playlist in your video as well. That way people can go in and take a look at the playlist and see what all the different creators have done. So make sure you do that. And the upload date is going to be April 17th. And we want you to upload your video on April 17th at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So now that is 7:30 a.m. Eastern and 6:30 a.m. Central. If you're in a different time zone, you're just going to need to Google whatever the time zone is for you. So what I usually do is I will Google what time is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time in Eastern Standard Time. And then Siri will tell me 7:30 a.m. So just Google it if one of these time zones that I gave the information for doesn't fit your time zone. And then use the hashtag Useful DIY Challenge, Old Turns New, in your description, not in your title. Use the hashtag Useful DIY Challenge, Old Turns New, in your description. So that's it. Those are the details, and I will link Moon's channel below. She does some amazing work over there. She is so creative, and she has so many examples to show you how creative she is. You'll just really be amazed at how creative she is. So now I want to know which one of you guys are going to join us in this challenge. I can just see the wheels turning in some of your heads now. You're already thinking about, well, what can I do that's a useful DIY? And I've already got my particular challenge figured out. So I already know what I'm going to do, and you guys will be pleased when you see it. So who's in? who's going to join me and Moon in this useful DIY challenge for April? Tell me in the comment section below. If you enjoy challenge videos, be sure to check out my spring under $20 DIY decor challenge. And if you like cooking videos, my meatloaf and my mac and cheese recipe is to die for. I will link those videos above and below so that you can check those out as well. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.